Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Early Standard English A by Cantab publisher, and remember that all the books of Cantab are approved by Punjab Curriculum and Textbook Board, and our slogan is One Curriculum, One Nation. And today's topic is letter D. We have to enable the student to identify small d, its sound, action and vocabulary. Remember the flow of the lesson, and that is flow of the lesson, and that is number 1, introduction of the vocabulary. Then there should be the introduction of the initial sound, introduction of the initial sound, and then there should be the introduction and formation of the letter, and finally we have to go for the activities. So let's start our lesson. We will tell this story to the student. The story is given in the book. Children, look at here. Who is he? He is a boy, and you know his name is Daud. His name is Daud. Daud has an elder brother, and Daud loves to help his elder brother. Do you help your brothers and sister? Very good. One day, Daud and his brother, what they were busy with, we are going to learn about that. Daud helps his elder brothers to clear out his old toys at the back of the cupboard. They find a drum. They start playing it, making a duh sound like this. This is the playing sound of a drum. After this, you will focus on the vocabulary given in the book. You will show the page of the book, or you can take help from the flash card like this. Dog. What is this? Dog. What is this? This is a drum. This is a drum. And what is this? This is a doll. Do the girls love to play with the doll? This is a doll. Dog, drum, doll. Student, listen carefully. All these objects have a similar beginning sound. Dog, drum, doll. And this is duh. Duh is the beginning sound. And like we have choo choo choo. Choo 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 is the sound of a sparrow. Meow 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 is the sound of a meow mano cat. Similarly, duh is the sound of letter D, and this is letter D. D says duh dog. D says duh drum. D says duh doll. Here you can sing the song of letter D as it is given in the book. The drum we were playing together, duh, duh, duh. We are having fun together, duh, duh, duh. This is the action, and what you are singing is the song of letter D. After this, you can focus on the formation of letter D as given in the book. And then here is the time for the activities. What you can do, you can give Play-Doh to your student, and you can ask them to roll it like this and to make a coil with the help of a Play-Doh like this, and then it can be turned into the shape of letter D. We can make up a letter D with the help of this Play-Doh. Yes, I have to roll one more coil like this, and we can make letter D with the help of the Play-Doh. So this is letter D. Now what we can do, we can use the chart paper to make a drum. Yes, and with the help of the pencil, we can play the drum. Da, da, da. Da, da, da. We can ask the student to open and close the door without making a noise. We can ask them to use the blocks to make a door. And finally, we can have a role play. Yes, you can ask the student to do the role play of a doctor. They can do the role play of a driver. They can do the role play of a deductor, and they are going to enjoy these activities a lot. Don't forget to have the board activities. For the board activities, what you have to do, you have to write down letter D here, and then you have to paste the pictures related to letter D around it. You can paste drum, dog, doll, and you have to paste one irrelevant picture here. For example, you can draw an apple or paste the picture of an apple. Then you have to invite the student and you have to ask them to read it. D says the doll. Good. D says apple. No. D says the dog. Yes. After this activity, what you are supposed to do, you are supposed to write down different letters here. For example, you can write A, B, C, D. D, A, B, C. And you have to invite the student to come and to encircle letter D here like this. After doing all these activities, you will invite the student to trace letter D in the books. After completing their work in their books, you can assign them work to trace letter D in their notebooks. Remember that you have to spend 4 to 5 periods or 4 to 5 days in order to ensure that students have learned the sound of letter D, they are well aware of the vocabulary, they can do the action, and they can read the book. Thank you very much.